Today, I'll be going through and showing you with step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges into the HP OfficeJet Pro 8610. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8610's instructions for ink installation is the same for the following models: 8615, 8620, 8625, 8630, and 8640. Let's get started. First, you're going to open the printer to access the space where you'll load the ink cartridges in and out. This can be found in the front of the printer, above the paper tray, but underneath the flatbed scanner and scanning bed. If you are installing the ink cartridges on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the placeholder plastic tabs before you try to install the ink cartridges. If you are replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. You can even take your empty cartridges to an office supply store near you or mail them in to the printer manufacturer, free of charge, for them to recycle the empty ink cartridges. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. Then align the ink cartridges so it will fit into the slot. If it is not fitting in easily, check to make sure you have it the right way up and that you are inserting it into the correct slot. Simple as pie. Now you've installed one ink cartridge. Now you need to install all the other colors, the same way you just installed that last one. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridge being in place and processing them to begin the printing process. All done! Now you're ready to print.